Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. Many CMA final students who are going to write their examinations in December 2025, they are asking complete details about the direct taxation exam-oriented batch. Yes, now in this video, I will give you complete details about the exam-oriented batch CMA final direct taxation. Yes. So, in this batch, first I started with in this order only I uploaded classes already. Yes, you can watch these classes directly. Basic concepts, 1 hour 30 minutes. Sir, in this batch you discussed only provisions. No. I discussed a lot of questions also. Next, return of income, 2 hours. Next, income tax authorities, 30 minutes. Sir, why you discussed this chapter also? Because we need to know about the hierarchy of income tax authorities. For MCQ purpose also, this chapter is important only. Yes, which authority is an subordinate, which authority is an ordinate, all the things I discussed in 30 minutes. Next, advanced tax and interest, we are getting always the practical question, 7 marks. Yes, whatever that workbook questions are there, all workbook questions I discussed. So that's why duration 5 hours. Next, advanced ruling. Yes, it is in theory chapter. We discussed in and out, and all questions in workbook also discussed 1 hour. Next, tax planning. Every attempt 7 marks to 14 marks we are getting a questions from the tax planning chapter. All workbook questions also solved in these 3 hours. Next, Block Money Act. Yes, 1 hour, and the problematic also discussed. Next, assessment procedures, 3 hours. And whatever that amendments are there in these 2 chapters, search and seizure and survey and assessment procedure, we have an block assessment and income escapement assessment procedure amendment is there, that also discussed. Next, appeals and revision. Always we have a 7 mark question from these appeals, revision, rectification and settlement commission. We discussed in detailed way, and workbook questions also covered. Next, business restructuring, also 7 mark pakka question. Simply we have an slum sale, conversions and amalgamation and demerger. All the concepts are discussed along with the problems. So duration 4 hours. Approximate duration maybe 5 or 10 minutes. Yes, more or less also will be there. Next, we discussed chapter 6A deduction in and out. Why chapter 6A deductions we are going to discuss for MCQ purpose, or for the purpose of DTAA problems, or for the purpose of PGBP questions. Yes, we have to discuss this, and we discussed in the EVO batch for 2 hours. Next, connecting chapter DTAA, 7 marks to 14 marks. Yes, in the DTAA chapter, each and every workbook question also covered. With this, directly you will get 7 to 14 marks. Yes, non-resident 10 hours. Why 10 hours, sir? Because in our workbook, we have nearly 25 questions. We discussed each and every question also. 10 hours. Transfer pricing, 9 hours. Yes, workbook questions, every model covered. Next, PGBP, 6 hours. Assessment of various entities, yes, 4 hours. Capital gain revision video I uploaded, duration 1 hour. Income from other sources, 30 minutes. Equalization levy detailed revision I done, 1 hour. Trust 5 hours. Whatever the workbook questions are there in trust, nearly 20 questions. The 20 questions also discussed. GOR provisions, yes, 30 minutes revision I uploaded. Penalties and prosecution, important sections I discussed, and some problems also covered, 30 hours. And whatever that MCQs are there in our workbook, nearly 480 MCQs are there. That 480 MCQs also explained in 7 hours 30 minutes. The detailed videos are already uploaded. Total duration of this batch is 80 hours. Yes. You can't call it as an exam oriented batch. Simply you can call it as a fast track also. How many hours of the content we uploaded? 80 hours. Still, We have a new chapter for December examination. What is the new chapter, ma? Tax audit. And other amendments also there, like safe harbor rules, and 5 or 6 amendments are there. That I will discuss in YouTube live in October first week. In October first week, I will come up with a live regarding these concepts. The remaining every concept and every video uploaded. Yes, if you watch it these 80 hours, after watching you have to do the practice also, then easily you can score exemption. So totally the 24 videos you will get. In addition to this, yes, these 2 chapters related, PGBP and assessment of various entities chapter related, I uploaded the regular class videos also as an complementary. If anyone haven't time, they are read in only one group, okay, revision videos I uploaded. If you want to watch regular classes of these 2 chapters, I uploaded as a separate. If you want to watch only exam oriented batch, duration 80 hours including MCQs. Sir, remember, I am not at all discussed just theory in that batch. I discussed the more number of questions also that is sufficient for your examination. Yes, these are the details. And now, if you want to register for this batch, you can just visit our website shikharatutorials.in. Yes, if you have any doubts regarding the purchasing of the classes, you can contact with this mobile number 630-990-1213. As of now, we are offering the classes at the rate of 25% discount. Means nothing but this classes original price will be 4,000. If you want to purchase on or before October 2nd, yes, flat 25% discount will be available. After discount, now you can grab these classes for 3,000 including books. Sir, what are the books you are going to provide along with these classes? What are the books you are going to provide? Concept book, workbook, handwritten and MCQs. That is totally 3 books. First concept book, second one workbook, third one handwritten content and MCQs will be there in that one book only. Totally 3 books, perfect book binding. Books will be in a black and white color. Yes, these EVO classes along with the books now you can get with 3,000 rupees only if you purchased on or before this date. If you have any doubts and if you have any support, if you want to get any support regarding purchasing of the classes, yes, you can contact with this number or simply you can drop an WhatsApp message also. Thank you. Have a nice day.